Hey there, my name's John Erickson, and yes, I am available for the shoot dates. Thanks. I could actually piggyback on that. I do think we can get the TPS reports done by probably COB today, if need be Monday, probably 10 a.m. Also, I stopped by the office yesterday. Has anyone seen my stapler? Oh, Nelson. Okay, I'll check with him. Yeah, it'd be nice to have it at home to get those reports stapled and finished up. Perfect. All right, everybody. Have a great rest of your day and a great weekend. Take care. Just finished. Yeah, last call of the day. Sure, we can get takeout. Would love to. Let me just, let's see, I'll log off and then want to go for a walk, get some fresh air. Perfect. All right. Check back in 2. All right.